guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. For the love of, if you're joining for the first time, I want to say welcome. Thanks for taking the time to click on this second time ever Amazon product haul. Enjoyed when I did my Amazon home fragrance haul last spring. I've actually been trying a ton of new skincare products, devices, things like that, all from Amazon. That video did so well last spring, I figured why not share with you guys some of the Amazon products I've been using this summer. Candle lovers, don't worry, I do have some reviews and hauls coming up, just waiting on products to come in. So you guys will start to see me sharing more than just candles, which is why I'm doing these Amazon hauls and different things. That was the whole point of my channel. I love candles and home fragrance, but I love a lot of other stuff too. Every day, whether it's skincare, glasses, home fragrance, I want to share it with you guys. I was looking online, I found a fantastic company, ZINFF, Z-I-N-F-F. Try them out, test them out. And I do have a code for you guys if you're interested. So these are my blue light blocking glasses. I love them. Clear frames, just cute, simple to wear every day.
Voiceover here, you guys. I'm getting you an even better discount code, 50% off frames, 10% off lenses. I was given an incorrect code earlier, so I'm getting you an even better one. The other one was only 30% off. So 50% off frames, guys. Use it, description below.
I was able to get another pair of just regular glasses just to try them out. These are the glasses, the blue light computer glasses you saw me wearing earlier. These are not blue light blocking, they're just traditional glasses. Now, these are a little more rounded. I think these would be very flattering on most anybody. These are great for gifting. They come in a little gift box, they slide out.
And if you guys want any more info, description down below on those glasses styles. You clicked on this video for an Amazon haul. This is going to be Amazon haul part 1, skincare, masks, and serums. Let's start it.
If this is the first time you're watching my channel, I typically do candle reviews, but I'm starting to branch out. I started trying out new products and not trying them to just try them. I'm trying to find them that I share on YouTube, you know, a lot of the candles and home fragrance items that I use. I know a lot of us use Amazon too, but these are all items I have been using this summer and plan to continue using. I did have a couple misses. There were a couple items I wound up returning, but these are all things I use every day. So I'll be sharing that with you guys. And without further ado, let's rapid fire and get into the haul. One of my true hero products. These are fantastic. So Peach Slices is the brand. It's a Korean brand. I have tried other brands of micro darts and acne buttons, acne stickers, and these have been one of the best ones. I swear these are like little miracle workers. So these things are fantastic. I always have them on hand. I wish I would have learned about these sooner, but these have been a godsend. So these are the Peach Slice micro darts. Very, very affordable. Definitely a staple in my routine. And I was looking for something that wasn't a bubble bath, but had natural or as natural ingredients as I could find. The pluses are it's not super fizzy. It does give just enough moisture without being super slippery or greasy, which is what I wanted. But it has actual coconut in it and things like that. They had a few other fragrances. Price point was great. I think it was like $8.99. So I'm pulling up the price point here, $8.99. The only thing is the consistency is a bath bomb. It is like hard as a rock. So this thing is just, I wish they would have changed the packaging a little bit. Don't know if I would buy this again. Not bad. Not sure if this one's a repurchase for me. This for you. This is the cutest thing. And those of you who are like DIYers, or maybe you make your own facials, or you need like little mixing tools, this is the Fenshine Beauty Facial Mask mixing toolkit. It's in here as well, but what I wanted it for was this little mixing bowl. It actually came with 3, so I'm using 2 of them, 3 little silicone brushes, a sponge if you're doing facials, a brush, and then obviously if you're diluting products or anything like that. But for $4.99, if you're doing at-home facials, things like that, you can't beat it. Okay, now we're getting into some of my favorites right here. I purchased this on a whim. This is the APPTI, a PT, I believe. This is actually a firming facial mask. It's a rugosa facial mask. So essentially this is one of those masks. Imagine going like around your jowl line. So if you want to tighten your neck, the sides of your face, this thing is fantastic. It's double layered. Sure, it looks a little odd. It's almost like a V shape, covers your nose, your cheeks, and then kind of straps up and goes around and actually gives you that nice V shape. Maybe you just did a treatment on your neck or your jawline or something like that, and it has moisture. So this isn't just like a cloth band. It's firming, moisturizing, for the price point for what you're getting on these ones, they were, it was only $8.99. And it came with, I believe, either 5 or 6 in the pack. I loved them so much, I'm down to 2 of them. Be repurchasing these. I can't believe the quality of the material on these for the price point. So these are definitely a staple for me. I would rebuy these again. Moving right along, I have another beautiful mask here for you. I do also have a couple other masks that I have tried. In my skincare video, I'll include those. But these were recommended, and you know, it's always hit or miss. You know, again, that's why I'm doing this video for you guys. I got these on a whim. So the company is Pure Derm Deep Purifying Green O2 Bubble Masks. Price point and the quality of these, I could not believe it. So the price point on these were, let's see, you get 6 in a pack, and it was $6. Once you put them on, it does start to bubble up. You'll feel it getting kind of puffy. Some masks you can sleep in. This one might be a little too messy to sleep in just because it kind of foams up a little bit. So be prepared for that. I do find that after I use this one, while my skin is moisturized, I really feel just tautness. I feel just more brightened. These are ones I would 100% buy again, especially for the price point. Came in a pack of 6. You can see I already used a few of them. These are going to definitely be another mask staple. Be forewarned, this was a total fail. I feel like the only hair I was able to get up when I used this was like peach fuzz. So like if you have maybe arm hair or very light face hair, these may work. The brand name is Victastar. I have not heard of them before. I would say just stick to the professional kind. I know Ulta carries professional waxing products, and for the price point, this was $9.99. So I'm like, I may wind up keeping it just for my arms, but just skip on this. If you see it, skip, pick a different one. So this one is a no-go for me. These are definitely not all the moisturizers and actives and products that I use. These are a handful that I was able to find on Amazon that I really enjoy. Wind up doing another skincare video at a different date, but these ones I was impressed with the quality, the price point, and the versatility, and that they were on Amazon. So this is actually a tea tree oil face cream. It's almost kind of cooling. What I actually use, I don't use this all on my face. It's a very, I don't want to say super heavy, semi-heavy cream. I just put up the price point on this one, $9.99. So again, not a bad deal at all. Plus it has ceramides in it. So what I wind up using this one for is, since it's a thicker cream, I actually use it if I get acne, say like on my shoulders or my back, or I'll use it as a spot treatment. And I've been using it as a spot treatment, and it has worked fantastic. I absolutely love it. And for $9, I mean, you cannot beat the price. So the brand name is Majestic Pure Cosmetics. And again, tea tree oil face cream with ceramides. You definitely want it with ceramides, and it fights inflammation. So this is always a good staple to have on hand. Definitely a repurchase for me. Next, another little hidden gem here, the Meet the Better Self 24 karat gold collagen eye treatments. So are they really 24 karat gold? No, they're not. But why did I get them? Because I wanted an overnight treatment for under the eye, and actually more so for like even marionette lines, to just be able to have something thin, light, a small thing to place on my skin that I could either sleep in or that wouldn't slide off. These are fantastic. They're very thin, and they're very moisturizing. I absolutely love them. Don't expect miracles, okay? Don't expect these to like totally lift or disappear lines. But if you're trying to prevent lines, or you're trying to soften and get collagen in an area that maybe you have fine lines in, these have worked quite well. They have a few different kinds. This is the 24 karat gold one, which is the collagen. They have a few other options. The price point, you can't beat it. It comes with 60 pieces in it. I'm going to open it up and show you guys in a moment. And then the price point, let me pull up the price point on here. So these are not super pricey, but $11.99. Let me show you what they look like. All right, and then here we go. I kind of unboxed one of these for you. So that, look how thin that is. That is the shape, so it's great for under the eye. It comes with a little spoon so you can scoop them out. They are layered. These are great, obviously, for under the eye. And then also, I actually, like I said, put them on the side of your face, marionette lines, just for added moisture, especially if you're not doing like microneedling or any sort of boosters, and you're not getting the skin like, or getting the product into the skin. These are great as a nice little topical additive. I do find the day after I use these, my under eyes or anywhere I put them does feel quite a bit moisturized. Again, don't expect miracles, but for the price point and how many you're getting of these, not a bad deal. I would definitely purchase these again. But we got to talk about serums and our little additives here, right? Our actives. So hyaluronic acid, fantastic. You guys may know it's usually in fillers. It's great for giving you that volume. It's something that's naturally occurring in our bodies. So you're probably wondering, why do you have this giant bottle of it? So the thing with hyaluronic acid, you can use it topically. That's great. But if you're using it, it draws in water. So that means you have to either drink a lot of water for it to actually work or be as effective, or you can't just slather HA on your face without anything else. Typically what they're recommending is actually having it with other products, or what I do.
Quick voiceover here, you guys. So make sure when you're using the water in any of these misting devices, use purified water. Don't use tap water or spring water, something that's not going to clog up the unit.
So there we go. That's exactly what I use my HA for. Works great with this hyaluronic acid from Sinalis Cosmetics. This is my first time purchasing them. The reason I got it is I was running low on my little HA, and for the price point, this was $19.99. And for the price point, if you're looking for a very eco-friendly, budget-friendly HA, I would definitely check this out. And last but certainly not least, you guys, these are a fantastic, fantastic find. What a gem. So this brand is Art Naturals. These were the first actives / serums I purchased from Amazon. I'm usually a little weary of the manufacturer and where it's, formulated. Typically, I would stick with something either from Ulta or directly the vendor. So say like Tarte. A lot of times I'll get ones from Korea. So you always have to make sure where it's manufactured and the concentration of it. But reviews from this brand, Art Naturals, it's like they're a little hidden gems. So this is kind of what opened up my eyes to Amazon and going, okay, maybe they do have some good quality products on there. You just have to research. So I wound up purchasing, they had a 3-pack. So you got the vitamin C, you got the retinol, and then it did also come with an HA. So I'm just finishing up my HA from Art Naturals. You got the 3-pack for $19.99. That's insane. For the price point, you cannot beat it. Definitely a gem and hidden find from Amazon for sure. You guys are getting one little bonus item here. I was not even going to throw this in the frame, but this just came today. This is new to me. I have tried eyelash extensions, mascaras, things like that, but I have not tried growth serum. What you're supposed to do is brush it on your lash line, and it says this is worth 3 months worth of product. And within 1 to 2 weeks, you're supposed to see thicker, fuller lashes. Again, I haven't tried it yet, so we will see, but that's from the Curasan. I have tried this brand's teeth whitening pens, which is why I wound up trying this. Their teeth whitening pens are fantastic. You get a pack of 5 of them, and I think it's like $9.99. So that right there is the eyelash growth serum. We'll see how it goes. I will mention the eyelash growth serum that is made in China. All of the other products, though, I did show you today are not made in China. So I always try to check the ingredients and see where they are from. And that is it on my first Amazon skincare haul, part 1, of course. If you have used any of these products, or if you have tried or found any hidden gems from Amazon, please leave it in the comments. Let us know. Share your favorite finds. If you have any hits, misses, please let me know. I know we all use Amazon, or at least I do, and it's always nice to be able to find and explore new products that work, that are effective, and that don't break the bank. Before I sign off, I do want to let you know I'm on Instagram, so if you're on there, come find me at life, LIFE_with WITH_L. Remember, part 2 is coming, so stay tuned for that. And you guys, one other final thing I forgot to mention.
Be sure to check the description of my video for any information discussed in today's video. Also, check out my other videos I have up on my channel. That's it for me today. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this review. I'll see you down in the comments. Until next time.